say they make them. Sometimes God cannot answer some of your prayers because you can't feel for somebody. You only had the better TV so, or your woman mea bar what the better TV so broadcasted Moesha. Shame on you. You should be ashamed of yourself. So be yare. Now person will capitalize on yare for trend. On yame famu born in chamo.
Meda ototrubo nsu nyakopon a obo ewia eni nsu eni ewia se mu nema nyina ase ese ode me na natili mekra acheme na ketrema eda abodwem na moja ewidi mi mu efusane nene meti asai se mi beja ensem no magu hosie ku ha e wa attention tv so ede amamu ene ensem be na etwagu e social media platform ni so ene ensem a etwagu social media platforms ni so ne de ene de ni ne esiso o my Ghana me pa mo cho mo subscribe channel na emame na mo like page ni emame na mo fa mo comment no emfa eye comment section no embra emame na me ready ede amamu fefe ne de ensem be na etwagu ni ensem etwagu o my Ghana na sem ye wo hwa na ye Moesha kese o ye tete ensem bi se he na dwemu eka no nti Moesha fa ne nema nyina ze wabre nya ni na waton enema ne cars kwete se ne oton ni fie ne ntaalie na otonton ni nyina ene ye da esore ya esi Moesha ho aton na Moesha ho eton no so a oba wie no ye behwa no na night club ne Moesha timi sasa otimi kura gya ne ho etofo night club se obu ne mu sa na kana fo se Moesha na ye nim no na nya sa na otie Moesha is a very calm person is a ko baby kwan mo se no wine hu din no amfa ne hu mewura sa na ema we mu enti ne ho ato no ye sa de nche se bibi enkoye ewo baby Ghana for the mama ka omasem eko yesa eda esori ye sister penny delay interview eye Moesha ewo ni show si the delay show eso o interview no ewie no eye sister penny Afia Schwar so aba abonten aba bedesi delay afa interview no ne Moesha eye no wa amboni din de batene na ensem na eko no ene wa wutie interview no bia be hu say ye sister penny eye Afia Schwar edi eye delay mumie nkwana mumie nkotie ensem a eye Afia Schwar eka edifaye delay ehun.
Moesha is not my friend. Hajia for real is not my friend. Moesha is not my friend. If I'm calling category of friends, Moesha is not part. Hajia is not part. Tracy yemeba. Fela Makafu yemeba. Ehin na wu se Moesha afa the back. No ko party wa ha. Ana wo jina club wa ha. Na meme mother meka hu no. All of them they address me as mommy because almost sister penny me. They are not my age mates. They are my children. Unya ba na yesi and card in the TV so na. Sa high class, high profile girl na. Person wodi na no beto to nkofo nsemu na person maintain the standard. Sa girl bi na no wo the standard. You and I know Moesha was, even if she was whatever you people thought she was up there with class and standard. Na mumuna moton samano. I don't want to believe it. But if you are giving Moesha alcohol, stop it. Stop it. For when you tune your couple and you nejai. Stop it. Stop it. Bible says wanyama unya no wanyama me. We need to feel her in our hearts. We need to. I was saying yeah, but we need to feel for her. You need to see as your blood. Stop it. Stop it. Anybody that sees her anywhere and buy her alcohol, God will not forgive you. Stop it. And every other thing you people are giving to her, stop it. Stop it. If you are not giving her money, pray for her. If you are not giving her money, pray for her. Pray for her. That's all I'll say. Pray for her. And sometimes We sow seed and we don't even know it's called seed. Sometimes God cannot answer some of your prayers because you can't feel for somebody. I'm not well, so I've been quiet over this. I'm not well. I'm not in the right frame of mind because but they also many and unya ba na yese anka de be to TV so na mumusa mo say sa high class high profile girl na on person wodi na no beto to nkofo nsemu na o person maintain the standard sa girl bi na no wo the standard. You and I know Moesha was, even if she was whatever you people thought she was up there with class and standard. And that's how Moesha knowing. Or you only had the better TV so. Or your woman mea bar with the better TV so. Or your we am bar with the better TV so. Dear my and a year. And I'm talking to all media houses. And every media house that has broadcasted Moesha, shame on you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. I don't care what. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. So be yare. Now person will capitalize on yare for trend. On yame famu bonin chamo. Na me Bible say Israel Yakopon only say yare no kwa mfiri mobusuam. Because nyame ntua ka e bia na amamo so na akọ obi a wodwene no ho. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Nanaba, Happy New Year. If you have anything to do for her, pray for her. Pray for her. And Mamon good and you must say. Or Bonsamo Yenny dear dada. And Mamon one man in Guasiana and quiet she. And Mamon good and you must say. Sabi bibi na bao. Na mutro when you shared last year by this time. Moesha na munyi sa Moesha. What I say? Sa classy Moesha and yet that trash Moesha. That should tell you something is not well. That should tell you people should stop applauding people that are putting her out. Bloggers and Moesha, shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on and then I'm a jipa and will someone say mugu akwala na anymore.
Mesan mama kwaba ediba attention TV so muamu PSC na natili makra mo da sene yesan ebehia.